up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, that's the 67's Workshop, and welcome to Kit 63 of Build of the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds from our good old friend over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to this link. It's also in the description below. That will take you to their website and you can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale Ford Mustang Eleanor. What more can I say? Iconic car from the 2000 movie starring Nicolas Cage. So you got your magazine here, step-by-step assembly guide and all of that in there. Loads of blurb in there, behind the scenes, film footage, etc. This is what we're going to be doing today. We're preparing the rear seat back that you're going to fit to the rear folding panel of your Eleanor Mustang. So that little panel we did last time, you're going to need to dig that out because, yeah, you're back to microscopic screws today. So we'll be attaching that to the rear of the seat, folks, okay? So that's what we're going to be up to today. You'll have this piece here, all foldykins, ready to be completed, and then over the next few videos we'll be doing the rest of the build up of the interior. Next up, you've got the beautiful Eleanor, two legends face to face. There's some more background blurbage and adventures there on Toby Aliki. You've got Tumblr, the arrogance of youth. This is another character from the film. Little bits of blurb in there and stuff like that. Give these a read, folks. They are worth it. They really are. More and more stuff behind the scenes of the movies there. Little snippets and habits that the actors and the director had. And you can find out a lot about the people involved in these films just by giving these a read, folks. Cars with women's name this month is Grace, which is the Rolls-Royce Park Ward limousine. A stretched roller there, folks. Look at that bad boy. Wouldn't see that, wouldn't miss that coming down the road, would you? You then got Virginia, which is the 1988 Porsche 959. Porsche lovers will be swooning over that. Look at the curves on her. Beautiful. Some more detailed pictures there. Beautiful colour. Then obviously the innovative flat six engine there. That's the thing with the Porsche. It really has got that good centre of gravity. Then you've got the 87 Mustang 5 GT. They went very angular with this design back in the 80s. And yeah, quite a loud interior going on as well. So there you go. That's the magazine done. Let's get our parts on the bench that we're going to be using today. I'll pop this at the back so that I can see what I'm doing. So I'll just drop that there. And then we'll open this up, and when we come back we'll do a bit of assembly for you, okay? Right, folks, so first things first, it says we want 63B, which is velvet section there. So we'll just get a little bit of the dust off of there. Bit of a dust magnet of these, so when I'm done today this will go back in the bag until I need it, okay? There's the other one, and it's telling us that this press fits into this seat panel. So look at how your pins are, and they're orientated. Got two close together, they go at the top, and then the wider ones apart go at the bottom. Just press that in and around the frame. Work your way around, folks. Just quickly check that that's lining up like so, and a persuasion refit, and then just dust that off with your finger. Give that a clean. It's a nice bit of velvet, don't get me wrong, but it does attract a bit of dust. So I shall go over this with the old hoover of dust removal when the build is ready to be assembled. Right, we've got our seat unit like so. So we want to spin it with these two pins down the bottom like that, okay? And then you'll line up these pegs with the hinge, like so. And then you'll have a couple of screws that retain the hinge each end and one in the middle. And just tap them out now with a screwdriver. It'll make a hell of a difference now. There you go, look at that, straight in. What a difference a day makes. So we can now start lining this up, popping this in place. I want to try and do it so I can actually see the screw holes myself whilst I film for you, because, yeah, it's easier for everyone then, isn't it? So let's just try and have that so it's not going to flap too much. Like that. Perfect. And then we'll do the same in the middle then. Work our way along. Don't over tighten these, folks. Here's another one. Here's another key. Let the screw do the job. Like that. And then by powers of deduction, that'll give us one more to go in there. Just like so. And that has now pulled that panel nice and tight. And what it's going to give you is that. The seat there, that on the back, and it's basically, when you fold it down, it lines the boot so that you can fill the boot up, and then it'll just slide back up and click in place. Perfect, isn't it? So that's what you're going to end up with today at the end of your day's work. This is the rear seat and folding panel. So keep hold of it, because you're going to need it in the next few issues, just to pop it in the back of your Eleanor, folks. Okay. So in the meantime, if you want to grab one of these and build along with me, head over to this link to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Link. Head over there and take out a subscription to this beautiful 1/8 scale part work. Also, to help me out, you could just click little festikins right in that corner. Give him a click, subscribe to the channel. It is free, helps me grow the channel. But also, whilst you're there, just give the bell a ring and it will notify you of future content. Okay? So until then, many, many thanks for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. Foldy seatikins. It's in.